Hello viewers, I'm here to teach you another tutorial on how you can easily unlock your mobile phone with this easy step. As you can see, we have here a Tecno mobile phone and we want to unlock it. We've tried our default code, it's no longer working, so we decide to unlock it through the computer system. Step by step on how you can flash and unlock it. This Tecno T528, Tecno T528, and we're about to unlock it. First of all, you have to go to your PC or your laptop where you have your Miracle Thunder. Make sure your USB ports are working. Make sure your drivers are perfectly installed. Then you launch your Miracle Bus. You launch your Miracle Thunder 2.82 in administration mode. Waiting, it has come up, and now we're about to unlock our phone. We move down to MTK, you select safe mode and click on start button. Then click on no backup flash or before formatting, no. And you have to hold the middle button. The middle button is the boot key. It's the boot key. You hold it, and this is port. You insert your USB cable. Being careful with it. Last port error. I have to reconnect and try again. Now this second time, I'm going to click on advanced mode, and I'm going to unmark. I'm going to uncheck the first box. Trying again the second time. And it's flashing, it's connected successfully. Formatting. Taking some time, some minutes or seconds. It's done. 100% done. And you have to reinsert your battery. Just so easy as that, you have your phone back. Power on. The phone is unlocked, set up, and boom. That's all. That's all you need to unlock your keypad phone, MTK devices. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.